Hi, Tiffany. I wanted to talk to you about your midterm, part one. And so on the right is the directions, on the left is what you submitted. And I'm going to put this where we can see the names better. All right. All right. In the instructions for 6.1, it says choose a location. You chose five. Parker City, I don't know where that's at. And then Tennessee, Kentucky, Muncie, and Alabama. So you chose 5 cities, 5 locations. You're supposed to choose a location. You did research dream homes in that location by the amounts, and you entered your research into Excel. All right, the asking price, bedrooms, bathrooms, year built, and decide where you would like to live. You did that. The price range, you did that. Add number 3, right here. Add 3 columns after house 5 for minimum, maximum, and average. You did not do that. What that's saying to do is, if I could spell, minimum, maximum, average. Let me give this a little bit more room. Now you've been doing this on homework assignments. So this is not the first time you've encountered these directions. I keep hitting the wrong key. I did it again. All right, so add 3 columns after house 5. And the layout example should be viewed. Well, you did the example right. So you looked at that, so you had to run number 3. So that's what adding the 3 columns mean. The number 4, using a formula, summarize each row of your table data to show the minimum value, maximum value, and average value. And like I said, since you have done it before, let's just review it. Go to formulas, more functions, statistical, and we go down to minimum. And so hit minimum, and right off the bat it says B2 through F2. This is correct. It shows you over here the numbers that it's showing, and it shows you the answer. So you just hit OK. Maximum, it's the same procedure. More functions, statistical, and they're alphabetical. And you scroll down, pick up max, but you have to be careful because Excel wants to stick in this cell, and it isn't supposed to be this cell. It should only be B through F. So you can either type that in or just highlight and hold it and hit OK. Average, same procedure, more functions, statistical, average. And like I said, be careful because Excel wants to increase it. And so you can come over here and click and go F2, change it. Here's the numbers that's included in that, and hit OK. All right. Oh, price range. All right, I was confused. Price range means that you would have done, I'm going to delete this. I'm too skittish. I don't want to mess up. Price range means from 30,000 and then to 150,000 because that's your highest amount. It's like the price. The correct way to write this would have been through 150,000. There. And then here we would have done minimum, maximum, average. So we'll go through the steps again. Okay, more functions, statistical, minimum, B5 through F5, hit OK. Maximum, more functions, statistical, max. Again, be careful because it's not through G5, you only want it through F5, so just change it. Average, more functions, statistical, average. Again, you don't want it through H5, you want it through F5, and hit OK. And it says to do it for each of the rows. So you want to do more functions, statistical, minimum. So now it just wants to pick up this one. So it'll be that one, just simple. If you do that, more functions, statistical, max, click max, left click and hold, and just highlight these, and hit OK. Average, more functions, statistical, average, left click and hold. Mixed up, be careful. Just want to go through F and hit OK. Bathrooms, same procedures, statistical, minimum, B6, see, it's not wanting. Okay, B through F, all right. I didn't like something that happened. If that ever happens, just click off somewhere and just erase. I don't remember what you had in there, but for conversation purposes, I'm going to put 3. Oh, what are you doing, machine? There we go. All right, minimum. More functions, statistical, minimum, and we are going to type in B7 through, that's the colon, F7. Maximum, more functions, statistical, max, and so we're going to put, again, B7 through F7. Hit OK. Average, more functions, statistical, average. And so we want B7 through F7. Always stop for a minute and check. Year built, more functions, statistical, minimum, B8 through F8. Maximum, statistical, max, B8 through F8. This one, more functions, statistical, average, B8 through F8. Hit OK. And for the last time, more functions, statistical, minimum, B9 through F9. Except, okay, you put a decimal point there and it should be a comma. Oops, what's it doing? Okay, I'm just going to type in 1008. So let's redo this. All right, it took custom, so we just want general. So, formulas, more functions, statistical, maximum, We want B9 through F9. Over here, more function statistical average B9 colon through F9. All right. So that is what the directions meant for number 4. Format the data so it looks attractive and professional. You should use borders or shading. All right. So the easy way, you can use borders or shading, or you can do the easy way, which is go home, and over here it says format as table, and then you have all these colors. This would work. The only thing is that you have to choose a color that I can see the numbers through. So we're just going to choose that one. It says, is there headers? That means just the house 1, house 2, house 3, and all that. But I highlighted too much. So here to here to here, down to here. You could include that if you wanted to, but you shouldn't necessarily have to. So format table, we said we're going to do this. You have headers, okay. So that's what that would look like. So number 6, choose any type of column chart using only the house and the asking price, and place it on the same worksheet. So this is a sheet, so we want just house, all right, so it's just house and asking price. So highlight this and the asking price, go to insert, go up here, column chart, click here. It needs to be in the same worksheet, which is this one. You add worksheets by that, but there's this one. So let's see where we have to go now. Include a descriptive title, which would do, and change the colors of your chart. Okay, change colors is right here. So I don't know what your favorite color is. I kind of like that one. Chart title would be, this is just a text box. So all you have to do is put dream homes or something like that. And let's check the directions. Put your name in the header. And the way you do that is you go to page layout. This little button here says there's more stuff behind it. Header, and I always go to custom header, and you type that, print preview. Now the reason it looks cut off because it's portrait. If you want to see what it all looks like, there it is all put together. And so that, just following those steps one by one, would have been what you needed to do for this first assignment. If you have any questions, let me know.